Because the practice of creating art requires introspection and observation and expression. And that state you enter when you create is ancient, and it is hardwired, and to be in it is transformative. It's important that we understand how to communicate from a place that starts on the inside and is given out. Because this place on the inside is where we nurture and develop all the things that keep us connected and happy and healthy. I will help you find that place through the deliciously colorful art of oil painting.
So this is a simple exercise.
Let your eyes dance around it, and it throws the harmony off so that the items stand alone, but they're in harmony with everything else. I love to see students go from wanting to paint, to learning to paint, to understanding why we paint. You will definitely learn how to use your materials, understand the importance of value structure, experiment with color harmonies, play with composition, and all of those foundations will just open up a world of discovery that will spill out into your everyday life. You will have the foundations of oil painting, and you'll be able to translate those observations in a beautiful way that feels divine. I'm Kelly Sullivan, and I hope you join me to learn the basics of oil painting.